Must try this amazing fish fry which is very famous on Insta. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am sharing viral recipe and that is green masala fish fry. Without wasting time, let's start the video. Here I have taken well clean and washed mackerel fish them as shown as in the video. Once done, keep it aside. Next we will prepare masala. In a mixer jar add half tablespoon of black pepper, half tablespoon of cumin seeds, 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds, 1.5 inch of ginger, 4 to 5 garlic cloves, 1 small onion, few mint leaves, few coriander leaves, few curry leaves and 2 green chilies. Add very little water and make a fine paste. Next I am going to transfer this paste into another bowl. Now to this paste I am going to add half tablespoon of turmeric powder, 1 or 2 tablespoon of corn flour, salt for taste. Mix well. Now squeeze half lemon juice and mix. Now the masala is ready. Now we will apply this masala paste to all fishes. Let them marinate for 30 minutes. At last we need to fry these fishes on a tawa. Add enough oil to fry the fishes and fry them nicely. Once one side is fried, flip over to another side and fry it another side too. And the tasty new taste green masala fish fry is ready to be served. It is really a very nice and very tasty recipe. Must try and enjoy. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel. If you like this recipe, please share with your friends and family. See you all in my next video.